In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export your master bin inside of Davinci Resolve. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Davinci Resolve like you usually would. Then from here, you'll just need to open up any project where you want to export the master bin from. From here, you'll need to go down to the edit down here and then go up to where it says media pool. Now once you click on media pool, you'll see the master bin right here. You'll also see the smart bin and all of the bins that you have previously created. From here, you'll just need to select master bin and then right click on it and then go down to export bin. Then from here, it should bring something like this where you'll be able to add in a file name and save it as a specific type or the export Davinci Resolve bins. From here, you just need to click save. Once you have found the specific place you want to save the master bin, just click save like so, and then you have successfully exported your master bin in Davinci Resolve. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!